Good morning, America. Welcome to Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. I want to talk to you today about this 2021 Coachmen Catalina 231 MKS. It is a 28-foot from hitch to bumper, about 5,350 pounds dry, and it packs in a lot of features inside that you see in much bigger trailers. It's got secondary seating, so as you slide out with your dinette, great separation of space, and a big bathroom. So let's walk inside and really kind of feature out this rig so we can really point out what's special about it. But first, let's take a little time and walk around the outside here and point out some nice features about it. Huge awning on it, push button awning, outdoor speakers, some great LED strips of light underneath that awning as well. Solid step, great carriages up into the door, so nothing hanging low back there. Each one of the legs on that solid step actually can be adjusted independently, so if you're actually on some uneven ground, you can make sure that there's zero bounce on that. Great pass-through storage on the front here, huge amount of space in there, really nice to accommodate coolers, bins, storage bins, lawn chairs, anything you really to make perfect use of the outside space as well as the inside space. So let's head inside this rig, double axle here, and let's see what makes this sets this one apart. And right off the entry here, you can see what really sets this one apart. It's got a huge articulating bench seat across the rear that can go flat into another bed. Windows all around, some great storage up above. A nice U-shaped dinette makes really large sleeping if you want to use modular sleeping to accommodate some extra folks as well. 6'6" across there when you actually articulate it down into a bed. Windows all the way around that as well. You walk around here, you have your entire media center, storage above and below. Great USB plug-ins as well as HDMI plug-ins for your media, as well as Bluetooth capable. Great system there as well. It can really take along whatever you need to. Full-size fridge, 3-burner stove, oven, and range hood right above, as well as your microwave there too. A lot of nice space there for this peninsula countertop. Storage below that as well. And if you walk into the bathroom, you have a Jack and Jill bathroom here that enters and exits directly into the bedroom. Nice, really wide sliding glass door for your shower. You're not going to have to throw any elbows at the walls when you're in there, as well as since it takes up the entire width of the trailer, you're using a lot of space there, so you're not ever going to feel cramped while actually in that bathroom space. There's some great space for linen storage in the bathroom. You have a vanity in the bathroom too, and that goes into the bedroom. Nice walk around queen bed. Closets don't all come all the way down to the floor, and so you have a little bit of openness there too. You're not hemmed in by your head, and you have space there that make things really available. 110 plugins plus USBs, really handy and available. Overhead storage as well as underbed storage too. A great trailer for a couple, who's going to be doing some long traveling, as well as enough space to accommodate some extra folks to take along or to really host some friends. Really great trailer, 28 feet and 5,350 pounds dry. If you have any questions about this rig or any other RV we have on lot, stop on by and say hello, or drop me a line at 773-655-7190. And again, my name is Jake.